You know, there is a reason कि बटर चिकन हर रेस्टोरेंट में इतना फेमस क्यों है. It's slightly sweet, sour, creamy, and of course, smoky. So of course, I'm going to show you how to make it. So let's just start by making the tandoori chicken. So यहाँ पे मैंने लिया है 600 grams of boneless chicken thighs. इस पे ऐड करेंगे about 1.5 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. You can totally use the ready-made ones like how I did. Then half of a lime and of course salt स्वाद अनुसार. Also थोड़ा freshly cracked black pepper. अब इसे अच्छे से करेंगे mix so that the marination is spread all around. So basically we are marinating this twice. And this first one is pretty important to make it extremely juicy. अब ये जो first marination is all about breaking down the protein and removing all the extra moisture. अब इसे marinate करना है for at least 30 minutes. Or you can keep it in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours or overnight. Now with that said, let's move on to the second marination. So now this is basically a tandoori marination. तुम लोगों ने already ये मेरे YouTube shorts में काफी देखा होगा. But again, first goes mustard oil, Kashmiri mirch and haldi for that bright orange color. फिर आएंगे काफी सारे मसाले. अब ingredient list will be in the description. But यहाँ सबसे important ingredient है hung curd, because we don't want any extra moisture and the marination should be able to stick to the chicken. So mix it up until completely smooth like this. Now let's come back to the chicken. मैंने इसे marinate किया था overnight and now just look at that color. Basically हमने इसका सारा मॉइस्चर निकाल दिया है. So don't worry, ये खराब नहीं हुआ है. Now I just juicy thighs in the marination and mix it up. Make sure it is covered through on each and every corner just like this. अब ये है your classic tandoori marination. इसे भी marinate करना है for 30 minutes or if you want 3 to 4 hours in the fridge. और हाँ, you can use the same recipe to make tandoori chicken as well. I mean that's what we are making, but if you want that to be a starter, you can use this recipe. सांस क्यों नहीं ले रहा मैं? अब 30 minutes हो गए, so let's smoke it up. So now get a piece of coal और इसे हम करेंगे activate on the stove like this. फिर add that in a bowl and then goes a teaspoon of ghee. Cover and let this smoke for about 5 to 10 minutes. That's more than enough time to get that smokiness. अब आते हैं अपने pan पे. So 1 से 2 tablespoon of ghee. High heat पे place the chicken and it should sizzle like this. So flip them up and then cover. इसे cook करेंगे for about 6 to 8 minutes on each side. Now the longer you marinate the thighs, उनका cooking time उतना ही कम हो जाता है. So once 90% cooked through, take it out. और इसे करने देंगे rest for about 10 minutes. Then place them on a board और इसे करेंगे slice into thick strips like this and your tandoori chicken is ready. अब gravy काफी easy है, सब कुछ एक पैन में जाएगा and then we blend it up and that's basically it. So roughly slice करेंगे onion, tomatoes, ginger, garlic and हरी मिर्च. Now in the same pan जिसमें हमने chicken को किया था, उसमें ऐड करना है bay leaf, cinnamon, green cardamoms, peppercorns, the roughly chopped ginger, garlic and onion और इसे saute करेंगे until it becomes fragrant and slightly translucent. Then add the tomatoes, whole Kashmiri chilies, cashews, cumin जो मैं स्टार्ट में डालना भूल गया था but it's fine. हरी मिर्च and coriander stems. Also goes ये सारे मसाले and सबसे important है कसूरी मेथी, so don't forget that. अब high heat पे cook करेंगे for about 5 minutes and then add water. Lower the flame, cover and let this cook for about 25 to 30 minutes so that all the sourness from the tomatoes is gone. उसके बाद take out the gravy in a bowl, let it chill and then remove the bay leaf and cinnamon. फिर your gravy goes in the blender and blend it up until completely smooth like this. And for that extra creaminess, हम इसे करेंगे strain. Believe me, that extra step does help a lot. And then through all of this stuff. Now look how creamy and smooth that is. Now comes the final assembly. So in a kadai goes a touch of oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. Then comes a finely chopped onion and about 4 to 5 cloves of garlic जिसे भी finely chop किया है. इसे करेंगे saute until translucent and fragrant. Remember, we don't want any color on these onions. फिर for that bright orange color goes haldi and Kashmiri mirch. Saute for a few seconds and then goes in your creamy gravy. Also add the smoky tandoori chicken strips. Mix everything well and last में goes a touch of garam masala, थोड़ा और कसूरी मेथी, about a teaspoon or 2 of honey. I honestly don't like my butter chicken too sweet, but if you want, you can add more. Then थोड़ा सा नमक and of course another 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter and lastly a touch of cream. Mix अच्छे से. Obviously we can't forget थोड़ा ताजा कटा हुआ धनिया. Cook it on low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes so that all the flavors come alive and then serve it up garma garam with some lachha paratha or rice and that's done. I just know this is going to be good. Oh, look at that. Amazing. Obviously gravy बहुत ज़्यादा creamy and rich है. Also जो chicken को smoke किया था, that does come through. Guys, video खत्म हो गया. You can go and make it now. It's over.